Hello, Ben. Welcome to my new house.
Hello, Alex. Thank you for the invitation.
Please, come in. Give me your coat.
Your house is very beautiful and bright.
Thank you. Do you want to see the rooms?
Yes, I want to see the kitchen and the garden.
The kitchen is here on the right.
Wow, the kitchen is very modern.
And this is the garden. It is small but green.
I like it. Do you have a dog in the garden?
No, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Where is Luna now?
She is sleeping on the sofa in the living room. I have some pizza and orange juice.
Pizza sounds great. I am a little hungry.
Please sit down at the table.
Thank you, Alex. You are a good friend.
No problem. Let's eat and watch a movie.
That is a very good idea.
Hello. Welcome to the party.
Hi, Kate. Thank you. This is a great party.
Thank you. Do you know my friend, Mark?
No, I do not know him.
Mark, this is Sam. Sam is a teacher.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
Nice to meet you too, Mark.
Do you live in this city?
Yes, I live near the Central Park.
That is a very nice area.
Sam, do you want a cold drink?
Yes, please. Do you have water or juice?
I have apple juice and orange juice.
I will have some apple juice, please.
Here is your juice. The music is very loud.
Yes, but the music is very good.
Do you like to dance, Sam?
No, I do not like to dance. I like to talk.
Me too. Let's talk about the park.
Great idea. The park is very big.